Hello viewers, I will review the top 5 best and most popular espresso machines for home, which are excellent coffee making products. To know the details about the product, we have to watch this complete video. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can click on the bell to receive notifications if you still haven't. So without delay, let's get started. Welcome to the world of espresso lovers. Are you tired of spending a fortune at your local cafe for a delicious espresso? Well, we have the solution for you. Introducing the top 5 best espresso machines for home use that will bring the taste and aroma of your favorite cafe right into your kitchen. From semi-automatic to fully programmable devices, we've researched and compiled a list of the most popular espresso machines on the market. Get ready to elevate your coffee game and become your barista with these incredible appliances. Number 5. The Gevi 20-bar semi-automatic espresso machine is truly a game-changer for home baristas. With its dual heating system, this machine ensures that you have complete control over every aspect of your coffee brewing process. Unlike similar products, the Gevi espresso machine comes equipped with a built-in grinder and steam wand, making it an all-in-one solution for your latte and espresso cravings. One of the standout features of this machine is its dose control grinding capability. With 30 grind settings, you can customize the coarseness of your coffee grounds to suit any roast or preference. This means you'll always get the perfect amount of freshly ground coffee directly into your portafilter, resulting in a rich and flavorful cup every time. Temperature consistency is crucial when extracting optimal flavors from your espresso beans. That's why the Gevi espresso machine utilizes PID intelligent temperature control technology. This ensures that the water inside the funnel stays within a precise temperature range, 197.6 degrees Fahrenheit-204 degrees Fahrenheit, guaranteeing flawless extraction and enhancing the overall taste profile of your brew. Speaking of precise extraction, this machine also boasts digital temperature control through PID technology. This feature allows water delivery at precisely the right temperature for ideal espresso extraction results every time you brew. But let's remember milk texturing. The Gevi espresso machine includes a powerful steam wand that gives you complete manual control over microfoam milk texturing. Whether you want to create latte art or enhance flavor profiles with perfectly textured milk, this steam wand will become your new best friend for achieving barista-level expertise from home. Number 4. Experience the ultimate in high-pressure brewing with the Latte Barista System Coffee and Espresso Machine. This sleek and easy-to-use one-cup coffee maker allows you to brew coffee and espresso capsules, unlocking bold flavor, rich aroma, and velvety crema that standard drip coffee machines can't match. With a wide selection of Latte high-quality coffee and espresso capsules, you can customize your brew to fit your mood or time of day. There's something for everyone, from light to dark roast, high to low intensity, and even decaf options. The Latte Barista single-serve brewer pours 6 sizes of coffee and espresso drinks, allowing you to make your favorite hot or iced beverages right at home. Whether it's a classic latte, a cappuccino, or an indulgent iced coffee, you can enjoy a French cafe experience without leaving your kitchen. Crafted with European craftsmanship by Philips, this pod coffee maker automatically detects the selected capsule, coffee or espresso, and adjusts the brew volume accordingly. With its fast heating system that reaches optimal temperature in just 25 seconds and a generous 40-ounce water tank capacity that requires fewer refills, convenience is at your fingertips. Compatible with Latte single-serve coffee and espresso capsules and Nespresso * original machine-compatible capsules, this versatile machine offers endless possibilities for delicious drinks. Elevate your daily caffeine routine with the Latte Barista System Coffee and Espresso Machine Combo by Philips. Number 3. The Cuisinart single amp, double-serve espresso, cappuccino, and latte machine is a true game-changer for coffee enthusiasts. This machine is not your average espresso maker, it's completely programmable to ensure that every brew is proper. One of the common pitfalls in achieving the perfect brew is using too little coffee or having coarsely ground beans. But fear not, as this machine has got you covered. With its customizable settings, you can adjust the size and amount of grind to suit your taste preferences. And if you ever need to make changes, reprogram it at your convenience. The versatility of this espresso maker knows no bounds. It boasts 15 bars of pressure, allowing you to brew single or double shots easily. Whether you prefer ground espresso or convenient pods, this machine can handle both options effortlessly. The pre-programmed cup sizes of 1.5 and 3.0 ounces ensure consistency in every pour. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to mediocre lattes and cappuccinos because this machine is equipped with a stainless steel steam nozzle designed to create creamy froth perfection. It has an independent steam button for added convenience during those early morning caffeine rituals. Cleaning up after brewing has never been easier, thanks to the locking feature on the portafilter holder, which allows for quick disposal of wet grinds, no mess involved. And let's not forget about its other practical features. A generous 69-ounce detachable reservoir ensures continuous brewing without frequent refills. A warming tray on top keeps your cups ready for that delightful sip, while a removable drip tray and lid make cleaning effortless. Number 2. The all-in-one Barista Bundle Set is a game-changer for coffee enthusiasts who want the convenience of a professional-grade espresso machine in their homes. This 7-piece set includes everything you need to create barista-quality beverages, from espressos and lattes to cappuccinos. One of the standout features of this bundle is its powerful 15-bar pump pressure system. With this kind of pressure, you can expect rich and flavorful espresso shots every time. Plus, it allows you to experiment with coffee creations like Americanos and macchiatos without stepping outside your front door. Speaking of customization, the all-in-one Barista Bundle allows you to choose between a single or double shot of espresso. It comes with stainless steel filters for both sizes, allowing you to cater to your preferences or even accommodate guests' tastes. Another notable feature is the viewable removable water tank with a generous capacity of 1.25 liters. It lets you conveniently check the water level from the front, and its handle makes it easy to remove, clean, and refill whenever necessary. With over 25,000 units sold and an outstanding customer service team available round the clock, the all-in-one Barista Bundle Set offers exceptional performance, convenience, and versatility. Say goodbye to expensive trips to coffee shops when all your favorite beverages are at your fingertips in one comprehensive package. Number 1. The DeLonghi Stylosa Manual Espresso Machine is a sleek and stylish addition to any modern kitchen countertop. Its contemporary design, in black and stainless steel, adds a touch of elegance without taking up too much space. The compact size makes it perfect for smaller kitchens or limited counter space. With its 15-bar pump pressure system, the DeLonghi Stylosa ensures you can extract the optimal flavors from your coffee grounds. Whether you prefer a single or double shot of espresso, this machine delivers rich and delicious results every time. One of the standout features of this espresso machine is its manual milk frother. You can easily texture your milk to create authentic home cappuccinos, lattes, or flat whites. Say goodbye to expensive trips to the coffee shop. Now you can enjoy your favorite specialty drinks in the comfort of your kitchen. The DeLonghi Stylosa also boasts a stainless steel boiler, enhancing its durability and performance. This high-quality component ensures that your espresso machine will last for years while consistently delivering exceptional results. In addition to its stellar features, this espresso machine is also easy to clean. Keeping it in top condition is hassle-free so that you can spend more time enjoying great-tasting beverages rather than cleaning up afterward. The DeLonghi Stylosa Manual Espresso Machine offers convenience and quality in one package. Whether brewing lattes, cappuccinos, or espressos, this machine has covered you with style and precision. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. If you still haven't, you can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. For more details, visit the link in the description.